From a driver in England that suddenly went off-roading, and another that came in way too hot on this turn, to a crazy close call in Huntington Park that had this woman freaking out. Here are 25 unbelievable moments caught on Dashcam. Driving on ice can be really tricky, as seen on this clip.
As response to mental health-related calls in Victoria and Esquimalt, the non-profit Health Standards Organization is recommending residents of long-term care homes should get at least 4 hours of direct care a day. Its updated guidance also recommends
when there's too much traffic on the road, off-road is the answer.
Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh god.
Did the guy in front of this driver brake too fast? Or did this guy just panic and caused an accident by himself? We may never know. I bet you $100 that this guy's light turned yellow and he tried to rush it.
Whoa. Honey, I can't. Holy. Jesus Christ. Hold on, we're going back up.
What is the fine for hitting a cop car? This guy sure knows how much it cost him.
Okay. All right, baby. Well, I just wanted to check about that. I wasn't sure if you had any more information or if you bought one or... Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Told you, it's easy.
Not easy, it's moderate.
I just saw a car crash and I got it on dash cam.
You're lying.
These are warning signs of low testosterone. The doctors at Prime Male Medical can test your testosterone. $99. Get a testosterone test, PSA test, Doppler ultrasound, and a full year of free visits. Prime Male Medical.
We're going to do is see if we can get the stop slip. Yeah, we're 1039. Yeah, right there, I am in the flood. Yeah, just north of the 33, go down to bring a road later.
I do 3-2, speeds of 70, and they're firing shots, I believe.
Speeds of 70, firing shots at 309.
Yeah, 5-2, 3-2, I believe they're firing shots out the window.
I copy, shots fired at 310.
5 David 3-2, approaching Monaco.
You guys something up there? We're working on right on security. The car pushed down, I think, south, but I'm going to clear the lots of stuff. This way. We're on line.
Hey, LT, you want to take my spot up here?
You want me to try for a pit?
Yeah, we got a pretty flat area right here if you want to go ahead and do it. Just be careful, he tried to ram me when I tried to get set in.
301, I'm back eastbound. I'm a little bit behind you guys, but I'm back eastbound. Oh, you got a pit?
Oh, it's right here. Oh, shit.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time.